MCP Memory Service is an open-source semantic memory backend for AI agents. Without it, every agent run starts from zero. Memory is locked to one session, and you're stitching together Redis, Pinecone, and glue code. With MCP Memory Service, agents retrieve prior decisions in 5 milliseconds. Memory is shared across all agents and runs, and it's one self-hosted service with zero cloud cost. Instead of isolated facts, you get a knowledge graph with typed edges, like causes, fixes, and contradicts. The dashboard you're about to see makes all of this visible and manageable. The dashboard gives you an instant overview of your memory store. Total memories, recent activity, and tag count adapt to your usage. Quick actions on the right let you jump to any feature. The sync status shows real-time connection to your backend. Semantic search finds relevant memories using natural language. Results show match percentages, content types, and tags. Toggle between grid and list view, and filter by date range or content type. The Browse view displays your entire tag taxonomy as an interactive cloud. Tags are sized by frequency, and clicking any tag instantly filters to show all memories associated with it. From there, you can open any memory to see its full details, metadata, and related tags. Document ingestion supports PDF, text, Markdown, and JSON files. Drag and drop your files, set chunk size and overlap parameters, and the system splits and embeds them automatically. The management view provides bulk operations for cleanup, delete by tag, remove duplicates, or purge old entries. Below that, full tag governance with rename and delete capabilities. Analytics tracks your memory growth over time. Weekly trends show ingestion patterns, while the tag distribution chart reveals the shape of your knowledge base. The actual numbers depend entirely on your usage, whether you store hundreds or tens of thousands of memories. The knowledge graph provides a visual map of how your memories connect. Each node represents a memory, color-coded by type: observations, decisions, learnings, and errors. Edges show relationships like related, follows, or contradicts. You can scale the graph from a handful of nodes up to 500, revealing clusters of connected knowledge. Quality Analytics uses AI-powered scoring to assess every memory. The distribution chart shows quality tiers, and the scoring provider breakdown shows which evaluation methods are in use. Finally, the API documentation page provides a complete REST reference, grouped by function: memory management, search operations, real-time events, and health endpoints, all with interactive Swagger UI access. Under the hood, MCP Memory Service exposes a full REST API. The Swagger UI lets you test every endpoint interactively, store and retrieve memories, run semantic searches, manage tags, and monitor health. The API supports server-sent events for real-time streaming, making it easy to build custom integrations beyond Claude. Memory awareness. Hooks integrate directly with Claude code. When you discuss a technical solution, hooks automatically store it. When a related topic comes up in a later session, prior context is recalled seamlessly. Session start, mid-conversation, and session end hooks keep your memory store current without manual effort. Dream-based memory consolidation runs automatically during idle periods, inspired by how the human brain processes memories during sleep. The system identifies related memories, merges near duplicates, strengthens important connections, and decays low-quality entries. This keeps your knowledge base lean and well-organized over time. MCP Memory Service is built for enterprise deployment. OAuth 2.1 secures multi-user access with dynamic client registration. Cloudflare integration provides globally distributed vector storage and edge computing. Multiple database instances synchronize automatically, and the hybrid backend supports both local and cloud configurations across team boundaries. That's the MCP Memory Service web dashboard. Get started on GitHub or install with pip.